Hello geeks and repair fans. Welcome to another tutorial from troniccenter.com. Today we will show you how to replace Wi-Fi Bluetooth network card on MacBook A1502. Get your tool ready. Let's begin. Open the bottom case screws. Pull the bottom case. First thing first, unplug the battery. Open the Wi-Fi screw. Pull the Wi-Fi cables out. Take the Wi-Fi out. Install the new Wi-Fi in the same place. Put the screw back. Turn all the cable in the same position. Plug the battery. Close the bottom case. Now you can start your computer. For your next repair project, please visit us at www.troniccenter.com to find all tools and original pre-owned part for your repair project. We hope you enjoyed this tech episode. Please do not forget like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming tech videos.